All right, y'all, tonight I'm making one of my favorites, fish tacos. Y'all check it out. All right, so when I make fish tacos, I make a couple other things to go with it. I make a coconut jasmine rice with minute jasmine rice and these Kuji coconut milk drinks, very good. And I'll make a coleslaw with a tricolored slaw that comes in a bag. I'll use this Marzetti coleslaw dressing, and then it's already got a little bit of an apple cider vinegar taste to it. It's sweet, creamy, a little bit of apple cider vinegar taste to it, but I still add about another teaspoon to it just because we like that flavor. And then we have us a couple of good fish fillets here. If you haven't noticed, we boat a lot of fish in this house. And so we look for different ways we can prepare it, and this is one of them. And I season the fish with fajita seasoning that we get at Academy Sports. It's my favorite fajita seasoning, and it goes well with a lot of things. So the first thing I do is I mix up our coleslaw just because I can do that early and cover it. I can put it in the refrigerator. And the coleslaw typically, it turns out better if it has time to sit in the juices, if you will, and absorb that flavor. So we're gonna do that now. Just gonna open our bag of coleslaw mix. Dump that in. Now the Marzetti coleslaw dressing that I use, I get it at Walmart. It only takes about half of a jar of this for one bag. I'm gonna add that in. All right. Now with the apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon's about a capful. So I add that in there, and then add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I'll just mix that up. All right, that's good and mixed up, and I'm gonna cover it with some foil. I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator till it's time to eat. All right, so the way I do the coconut rice is if you look on the back of the package, it's for 4 servings, it's 2 cups of rice per 2 cups of water. And so since I use the Kuji, and I just realized it's Kui. It's not Kufi or Kuji, it's Kui. All right, I fixed it. Coconut milk drink as part of my liquid. I pour that in first, and whatever difference I need to make up the 2 cups, I just fill the rest of the way with water. So that gives me about 1.5 cups of liquid right there. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my liquid to a saucepan. After I have my liquid added to the saucepan, I'll put it on the stove, I'll bring that to a boil, pour in the 1-minute jasmine rice, stir it real well, and then I'll cover it and remove it from the heat. And after it sits for a little bit, it's pretty well done at that point. All right, y'all, our water and coconut milk has come to a boil back here. We're gonna add our jasmine rice, cover it, remove it from the heat, and let it sit. While that's coming to a boil on the stove, I forgot to add also that I like to add just a little bit of salt. To me, it brings out the flavor a little more. All right, so the next thing we have to do is get our fillets squared away. Now, I got to take my son to jiu-jitsu here in a little while, so I'm not ready to cook this yet. I'm just getting everything prepped for when we get home. And so I'll season it with this fajita seasoning now, and I'll cover it, put it back in the refrigerator. Then when we get home, I'll grease the cooking sheet that I'll cook the fish on with some butter, put those on, put it in there, and let it cook.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all, so we're fresh back from jiu-jitsu. It's time for me to butter this cooking sheet here. I'm gonna put a fillets on it. Got the oven preheated to 375. It takes about 10 minutes to bake these fillets, but they're not done until I can take a fork and they'll flake off. So just with the butter, stick of butter, I'll rub some butter on the pan. This just keep the fish from sticking to it. I'm just gonna take the fillets, just lay them right on top. Now it doesn't take a whole lot of fish to make fish tacos. So this will be enough just for us this evening. All right, I'm gonna pop this into the oven for about 10 minutes and it should be done. All right, y'all, our fish should be done. We're gonna go ahead and check it real quick just to see. All right, if you remember, I said earlier, if it flakes, it's done. So just going to take a fork, barely put it in there, and it's flaking off. So we know that the fish is done. So we're going to go ahead and take that out. All right, we're going to put it up here. Start building our tacos. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spoon some of this coconut rice on the plate. All right, now I'm going to take my heated tortilla here. I'm going to put it on a plate with a fork. I'm just going to flake off some of this fish and put it inside. All right, now I'll take this coleslaw and I'll spread it on top of there. All right, and then I got a spicy ranchero sauce, and I'm going to drizzle that on the top. Fold it up. That's good. That's so good. All right, y'all. That's it. Until next time, I'm going to get this off my mustache. Get outside, enjoy God's creation. See you soon.